In the beginning, I understand for people that they start the business that if they get a no from people that they take it personally. But understand this, also if you understand sales, it's just a numbers game. On this planet there are so many people searching for an opportunity, and it's just our job to search for those people and show the plan. And some people are interested and some people doesn't. And understand this is that it's very important to understand if you got a no, don't take it personally, just go to the next one. After a no, there will be a yes. So if you understand that part, the business is going to be very easy. If you don't do it, you will also see that you create a hard time on yourself. So just keep going on, and the people that will go on will win. And that is the key to handle the no's. After the no's, there will be yeses.